Hey guys, a very good afternoon. So this is your very own Mad Makeovers Beauty Stories by Mad Ambika Dubey, and I'm here at my second home and my place which I always love being around, my cosmetic store Krylon Professional India at Bandra West, Mumbai. So today the thing is all about talking about our lovely product and the new launch of Krylon, and let's hear from Vanessa, and she'll let you know more about this new launch which I've just came to know. It's an amazing foundation. I'm just loving it, and I'm also loving it because the reason they are like self-setting, easy to blend, and they are 4K technology product. Just loved it. So let's hear from Vanessa. Hello Vanessa.
Hi. Hi. So I'll just explain about the product. Okay. So this is our digital complexion. More the key ingredient to it is phyto oil. Okay. We have a range of the fluid.
So this is called Digital Complexion from Krylon Foundation Redefined. And when I'm telling you guys Foundation Redefined, it really means it's redefined. The reason why it says redefined is the complexion is very nice, the texture is amazing, and I could really make a difference, and I could really feel that yes, it's going good. So let's hear from her a little more. Yes, Vanessa.
Yeah. So we have a range of the fluid. Okay. We have a range of the cream, and then we have it all the concealers. So in the fluid, we have the undertone which carries pink.
Take it out one. Okay. So you have a pink undertone.
Just put it here. So if you see, it's very easy to blend. It's more like a buildable coverage. Okay, and it's very light on the skin. Since it's a 4K camera, so in the camera effect, it will give you like a blur effect. It will hide your fine lines, your opening pores. So it will not give you that. It will give you like a flawless finish at the end.
Okay.
Apart from that, we have it in the yellow. We have it in olive, and we have it for dark skin. Dark skin also carry contour shades.
So guys, we have in the pink tone, the neutral tones, the olives, and the warm tones, especially the golden tones which I say. And when I say a warm tone, it also is used for contouring and also for my lovely South Indian brides, where I could really feel like giving them something really good. And I was really happy was about these new stuff, and these are amazing brush concealers, twistable brush concealer, where the coverage is really nice, and I have used it here. And compared to the liquid, compared to the other one, this concealer is giving a little heavier look, and I am really liking it. What else? Correctors, and they have correctors as well. And guys, these are not regular correctors like our Dermacolor D30. These are something which are really fine for a flawless skin. These are really fine for a skin which is amazing, and they are very light. They are 4K camera friendly product, and it's buildable as well. And the good part is it's self-setting, so you don't need to have any powder on top. And when you say we don't need any powder on top, it means you get that beautiful soft effect on the face. It just doesn't crease, and it's nice. Correct Vanessa?
Yes, absolutely.
What else you want to add on? What are the other new things?
We also have like a setting powder, which is in white. This works mainly for all skin types.
I just bought 2 of these from somewhere, not from of Krylon brand, but of some other brand, and I just bought 2 of these transparent one. Wish you guys have picked up my phone on Sunday. So guys, this is one lovely powder which is almost transparent, and you all know, all my students and artists know, I love this white transparent powder because it just doesn't destroy the tone of your concealers and foundations and anything whatever you have used, and it's just amazing. It's highly milled. First of all, the thing is it's highly milled powder. It means it's very light in texture. It's very light in texture. And to add on, one of my favorite product here is Makeup Blend. And as always, this Makeup Blend and yes, here. And as always, this makeup blend is something which I love using with maximum of my foundations, especially Dermacolor, because it reduces the thickness and consistency but does not destroy the properties of a product. So this is amazing, and we have got these amazing products here, and I'm really liking it. So I would tell you to come visit Bandra Mumbai store and have a look at the other stuff and explore the makeup world, which is 100% dermatologist developed, allergy tested product, fragrance free products, and they are super good because they are developed in Germany, processed in Germany, then shipped to India, correct?
Right.
What else you have? I heard you have got new mascara as well.
We do.
Perfect.
So this is like a mascara range.
Mm-hmm.
So this adds volume. Also it defines your lashes. Okay. This is one type of
Perfect.
bristles that we have,
Mm-hmm.
which very nicely defines your lashes. Also adds volume.
Mm-hmm.
Another type.
Perfect. Perfect.
This is another type, which
Okay.
again
Gives
gives you
volume.
a fuller volume.
So guys, this one is with a heavy volume. So it's also very nice. It's fantastic. What is the price for these?
It's for 1100.
1100. Waterproof, tear proof,
It's going to be water resistant.
water resistant.
Easy to
Fantastic.
remove. Doesn't
Awesome.
give you that flaky effect.
Uh-huh. Perfect. Looks great. What else? What else? So guys, Halloween is on the way, and they are ready to scare us out with their lovely products. These are my favorite flakes. You all have seen, and the entire blood effect stuff and variety of faxes. These capsules are my favorite, so I love chewing them and it giving a fade blood effect. And so guys, I'm here in Mumbai for you all people. Connect me with me, let me know for any of your needs, and we'll help you out. And take care. Bye. Thanks, Vanessa. Thank you.